How to add a thumbnail to a Facebook video. This tutorial shows you how to set a custom thumbnail for your video before posting it on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the home screen to create a new post. From there, select Reel or Post from the options that appear. At this point, your gallery will open up, browse through, and select the video you want to upload. In the next step, once your video is selected, you'll be taken to the editing screen where you can trim or make any adjustments to your video. Following this, once you're done editing, tap on Next to proceed to the next screen. Once done, you'll be taken to a page where you can customize all your post settings such as caption, audience, and more. From here, tap on the Reel option on that page to expand the additional video settings. At this stage, you'll see an option to add a thumbnail for your video. Tap on it to open the thumbnail selection screen. After this, you can either choose a frame from within the video itself as your thumbnail or tap on Add from Gallery to use a custom image from your device. Once completed, select the image of your choice and it will be set as the thumbnail for your video. Finally, tap Post or Upload to publish your video with your custom thumbnail applied. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you add a thumbnail to your video, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.